a blessing in disguise.
塞翁失马，焉知非福。
Long ago, in a quiet village, there lived a kind old man and his horse.
很久以前，有位善良的老人和他的一匹马住在宁静的村子里。
Long ago, in a quiet village, there lived a kind old man and his horse. The horse was strong and helped him plow the fields every day.
那匹马非常强壮，每天都帮老人耕田。
The horse was strong and helped him plow the fields every day. One day, the horse ran away into the mountains.
有一天，马跑进山里，不见了。
One day, the horse ran away into the mountains. The neighbors said, "What bad luck?"
邻居们都说：“真倒霉啊！”
The neighbors said, "What bad luck?" But the old man smiled and said, "Maybe it's a blessing in disguise."
但老人笑着说：“也许这是福气隐藏起来的祝福。”
But the old man smiled and said, "Maybe it's a blessing in disguise." A few days later, the horse returned with another wild horse.
几天后，那匹马竟带着一匹野马回来。
A few days later, the horse returned with another wild horse. Everyone cheered, "You're so lucky now."
大家都喊：“你现在可真幸运。”
Everyone cheered, "You're so lucky now." The old man nodded. "We'll see," he said calmly.
老人只是点头，平静地说：“再看看吧。”
The old man nodded. "We'll see," he said calmly. His son tried to ride the new wild horse.
老人的儿子试着骑上那匹野马。
His son tried to ride the new wild horse, but the horse kicked hard and the boy fell and broke his leg.
结果野马踢了一下，儿子摔断了腿。
But the horse kicked hard and the boy fell and broke his leg. The neighbors cried, "Oh no, such bad luck again."
邻居又喊：“哎呀，又是坏运气啊！”
The neighbors cried, "Oh no, such bad luck again." The old man smiled once more. "Maybe it's a blessing in disguise."
老人又笑着说：“也许这是福气藏在坏事里。”
The old man smiled once more. "Maybe it's a blessing in disguise." A week later, soldiers came to take all the young men to war.
一周后，军队来抓壮丁去打仗。
A week later, soldiers came to take all the young men to war. Because the son had a broken leg, he stayed home safely.
因为儿子摔断了腿，反而平安地留下来。
Because the son had a broken leg, he stayed home safely. The villagers said, "Now we understand. Bad things can bring good."
村民们说：“我们明白了，坏事也能变成好事。”
The villagers said, "Now we understand. Bad things can bring good."